welcoming our today's chief guest by offering a traditional welcome. Please give a huge round of applause. दिलों में बसी है जो खास जगह, दिलों में बसी है जो खास जगह, वो हर कदम पर दिखाती है राह. उनका स्वागत करना फर्ज है हमारा, जिनकी वजह से रौनक है आज यहाँ, जिनकी वजह से.
Distinguished delegates to please have their respective seats. Thank you, ma'am. Audience, please give a huge round of applause for our chief guest. Today is a day of celebration, a day of achievements, and a day of togetherness. Welcome to the much awaited annual day celebration of PSBA English School. Great events don't just happen, they are made with dedication, hard work, and vision to bring everyone together. Today, we unite to celebrate the 22nd annual day of Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Apegaonkar English School.
Yes, the day we have been waiting for has arrived. So get ready for the extraordinary experience at our annual day celebration 2024-25. आसमान के नीचे सपनों का जहां, आज सजी है महफिल यहाँ. खुशियों की बाहों में यादें बनाए, आओ मिलकर इस पल को सजाए, आओ मिलकर इस पल को सजाए. So let's witness the celebration with full of excitement. शुभं करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपक ज्योति नमोस्तुते.
Lighting the lamp is the symbol of moving from darkness to light, from ignorance to knowledge. To mark the beginning of our annual day celebration, we will now proceed with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. To grace this auspicious occasion, may I now request our esteemed chief guest, respected administrator ma'am, honorable school president ma'am, principal ma'am, to come forward and for the lamp lighting ceremony.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. प्रभृति
respected dignitaries, for illuminating the lamp and today's event with your gracious presence and blessing. अगर हम इंडियन सिनेमा की बात करें तो बहुत कुछ दिया है हमें इस इंडियन सिनेमा ने। बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, प्लेबैक सिंगर, कुछ चुनिंदा नामों पर रोशनी डालते हैं। राज कपूर, विमल रॉय, वी शांताराम जैसे बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर, यश चोपड़ा, शशि कपूर जैसे प्रोड्यूसर, किशोर कुमार, लता मंगेशकर, मन्ना डे जैसे बेहतरीन प्लेबैक सिंगर। यह इंडियन सिनेमा कभी हमें हंसाता है तो कभी हमें रुलाता है, कभी हमें एंटरटेन करता है तो कभी हमें इंस्पायर कर जाता है, तो कभी मोटिवेट करता है। चाहे वो कोई भी फंक्शन, फैमिली हो या सोशल, इन गानों के बिना अधूरा है। वो आवाज़ जो दिल के कोने तक जाए, जो हर गीत में एक कहानी सुनाए। लता जी की बातें करते हैं आज, जो हर दिल की धड़कन बन जाए।
Really, dear audience, we are celebrating the golden era of Indian musical era of the Nightingale of India, Lataji Mangeshkar, who has been awarded the prestigious national awards Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Bharat Ratna. Yes, Lataji wasn't just a singer, she was a phenomenal singer who lent her soulful voice to over 36 languages, making every emotions come alive. Let's revisit some timeless gems from her legendary career. I feel privileged to tell here that our patron, Shri Padma Shri Shankar Bapu Apegaonkar ji, who was an Indian classical musician and exponent of the Indian percussion instrument named Pakhwaj. Bapuji was born in 1911 in Marathi family. He followed the Warkari tradition of music. The government of India awarded him the fourth highest Indian civilian honor of Padma Shri in 1896.
आज हम देते हैं ट्रिब्यूट इस इंडियन सिनेमा को और आपको ले चलते हैं ऑन द जर्नी ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा। एक झलक रेट्रो टू मेट्रो। Here comes the dynamic singers of Standard First and the names are
The vocalists are Anvi Kardile, Maithili Vagmare, Arav Meher, Pranamya Siddhabati, Ojasi Joshi, Tanmay Gopale, Ayush Khadke, Sanvi Satpute, Vihan Patil, Devansh Raghude, Parth Patil, Nidhi Jampalkar, Sarvadnya Gawande, Amonuddin Sayyad, Ansh Bangar, Dhanashri Chincholkar, Gajanan Buddhavant. And the instrumentalists are Kaivalya Chauhan from Standard 9th on keyboard, Samartha Dange from Standard 9th on octopad, Devansh Kedare from Standard 9th on Congo, Viraj Vitekar from Standard 8th on guitar, Vedant Pandey from Standard 7th on clapbox, Shreyas Pawar from Standard 8th on Zambe, and Dhruv Gosavi from Standard 9th on drum set. Please welcome our rock star singers. Give a huge round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. We, the students of Standard First, are going to present the song on theme Retro to Metro.